we're multiplying these two rational expressions together, and when we're multiplying these two, it's actually kind of easy in that we don't have to really change much. We're going to treat these the same way we're going to treat normal fractions. And what that basically means is that we're going to multiply the numerators, what's on top, by each other. We're going to multiply the denominators, what's on bottom, by each other. So let's bring that in and do that now. We're going to bring that all over 1, and that's essentially what I just did here. 5a times 4a squared, or 4a to the 4th, excuse me, over 12 times 10. Now, what we need to do is try to reduce this if we can. And the way that we'll know to do that is to break these down into the very lowest factors that we can come up with. And 5a is just 5 times a, 4 is 2 times 2, and then a to the 4th power is a times a times a times a. Now, I like to do this every time. It makes it very easy for me to see which ones I can cross off on top and bottom. This 12 is the same thing as 2 times 2, that's 4, times 3, that's my 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. 10 is the same thing as 5 times 2. Now I can look at this. These are all multiplications, so as long as I have one on the top and one on the bottom, I can cross these off. So I see that I have my 5 here, and I've got a 5 on bottom. I can cross those two off. I don't have any a's on the bottom, so I can't cross off any a's. I do have a 2 on top and bottom, so I can cross both of those off. I also have an additional 2 here on top and bottom that I can cross off. Now let's see what we have left. I've got an a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5a, so this would be a to the 5th power. On bottom, I've got a 3 and a 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So my answer is going to be a to the 5th divided by 6. And this would be my final answer. I cannot reduce this any further.